going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison if you are new here, and today I am sharing with you my first impression and review of the new Brazilian Crush 71 body spray. This came out recently at Sephora and it is a caramelized vanilla and macadamia perfume, well, body spray technically. I heard a lot of good things about this and I really wanted to try it for the fall and winter time. It's definitely a more fall scent, I would say, in comparison to the original Brazilian Crush, which was my go-to for this summer. Before we get into today's video, make sure that you are subscribed down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more from me, and let's just go ahead and get started. I've been using this perfume for a couple weeks now and I do have some opinions that I wanted to share and let you guys know if I think it's worth it or how it compares to the original Brazilian Crush. If I had to describe this perfume, I would definitely say that it smells like a fresh batch of caramel popcorn. It has that warm, caramelized, sort of buttery undertone. I tend to gravitate towards more sweet, vanilla, sugary perfume. This one for me is just a little bit too warm and caramely for my liking. I do think that it wears so nicely on the skin throughout the day and it lasts on your clothes for so long. I was really surprised by that. If you are a big fan of the original Brazilian Crush, I think this is a very good sort of segue into fall and winter scent. Like I said before, the Brazilian Crush was my go-to signature scent this summer, and I wish that I liked this more than I do. I have to say, the Brazilian Crush has my whole heart. It just didn't quite hit the mark for me. If you are someone who really gravitates towards warm, caramel, sort of nutty undertone scents, I would definitely give this a try. It's pretty inexpensive. This bottle for 3 ounces was about $18 at Sephora. Personally, it was not my favorite. It was a little bit too caramel and honestly it just smelled like popcorn a little too much for me. I will say, as you wear this fragrance on through the day and the top notes sort of die down and you're left with those undertones, I feel like it's a lot sweeter as you wear this throughout the day, which is what I personally liked. I have not been reaching for this every single day. It's something that I think will take a little bit of getting used to versus the original Brazilian Crush where I would just bathe in this if I could. To me, the original Brazilian Crush scent is just a timeless favorite. I have never met anybody who doesn't love this scent. The new 71 perfume is just a little bit more of an acquired taste. For someone like me who doesn't love caramel and those like nutty macadamia scents, I feel like this is not something that everyone would gravitate towards, but it is still a beautiful fragrance. I think the longevity for a body spray is really great and the price point is also awesome. I don't think I will be repurchasing this, but I think that I will try to use this throughout the fall and winter, but nothing in my heart ever compares to the original Brazilian Crush. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried this and what you think about it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed and we will see you next week.